Congratulations and thank you for registering for our Discover Trading Day, a day that quite literally could change your financial future. The Discover Trading Day is a brand new event that nobody has ever done before. This literally is where you get the chance to come and spend the day with our trading team, experiencing the markets live right there in front of you. We're going to take your credit card details shortly to secure your space on the live trading day. Naturally, taking that space, you have stopped somebody else from coming to the event. If for any reason you can't attend the event, please be aware that there is a minor cancellation fee of $49. This will be charged to your credit card details, which we are going to take shortly to finally secure your space on the Discover Trading Day. If you would like to cancel your space, we would ask very politely that you give us 48 hours notice so that we can make sure somebody else gets a chance to take advantage of this groundbreaking market experience day. We're incredibly excited to see you, and with $50,000, how much do you think you can make in a day?